This is one of the best ways to create a website for your business. It's called Lovable and it will be the app that we use today. To start, we're gonna create an account with the link in the description. Then we're gonna head over to ChatGPT and tell him to create a prompt to using Lovable so it creates a basic website with only a landing page for the business that you want. This can be any business you want. In the example, right now you say car detailing business. Now ChatGPT has created a basic prompt for our website. So when I take it and grab it and check it if this is what you want and take it over to Lovable. Then when I insert it and Lovable is going to start to work with us. As you can see, Lovable has made this wonderful website for us. We can change everything that we want by just asking Lovable. The contact info, and more information that we want to change, like the different options. But with only one prompt, Lowell has made all of this for us.